All right, folks, we welcome you back, kicking off hour number 3 of the Steve Malzberg Show. And right before we get to Tom DeLay, I just want to alert you to the fact that Newsmax contributor and political analyst Dick Morris has a great new book out. It's called Power Grab, and it's Obama's Dangerous Plan for a One-Party Nation. It's currently a #1 bestseller on Amazon, and I strongly urge you to get your own copy. Go to powergrab411.com to get that copy. There it is on the screen. Looks good, right? It reads just as well as it looks. It's powergrab411.com to get your copy of Dick Morris's new bestseller. Do it now. All right, folks, yesterday it was an 8-1 ruling. The Texas Court of Criminal Appeals voted to uphold a lower appellate court's decision last year to throw out former Congressman Tom DeLay's conviction back in 2010. And this is a 10-year journey that the former majority leader has been on, and he joins us right now. Hello, Congressman.
Hello, Steve. I'm having a great day. How are you?
Well, I'm glad you are. It's my son's birthday, so it's a great day to have a great day. But congratulations to you. I was so happy when I heard the news. You've become a good friend over the airwaves here, and I'm happy. And I mean, so the ordeal is finally over, and how does it feel?
Well, Steve, let me first say your comments about Dick Morris's book. I hope Dick Morris is included in his book, The Criminalization of Politics, because that has a big part to play in power grab and in what's going on in this country. That's what this is all about. I'm not whining about what I went through. I'm a big boy. I knew that what was coming on. In fact, Steve, I just correct you a little bit. This ordeal has been going on since 1996, 18 years. When I first got my first ethics charges in 1996, Nancy Pelosi and Pat Kennedy, the chairman of the Democrat Congressional Campaign Committee, announced publicly that they were going to take out this corrupt DeLay. And I got ethics charges in 96, more ethics charges in 98. They even filed a racketeering suit against me in 2000, more ethics charges in 2002, and then got this rogue district attorney in Austin, Texas, to indict me after going through 3 grand juries, and finally found one that was just sworn in to indict me on the last day of the statute of limitations. So it's been going on for 18 years, and I've had to raise $12 million in legal fees to defend myself. But now, as of yesterday, it's all over, and I'm very happy.
All right, we had Dinesh D'Souza on this show when he was between the trial, the plea, and then awaiting sentencing. And the judge used the interview with me in the sentencing to show him that he was displeased with him because he talked about selective prosecution. And the judge wouldn't let him use that as a defense in the trial, and he was ticked off at him that he brought it up on this show and in other places. But do you believe that yours was selective prosecution? Do you believe that Governor Perry's was selective prosecution? Do you believe conservatives are now a target of selective prosecution?
Well, conservatives have been a target for a long time. It's just starting to elevate itself to a higher and more visible offices. Yes. Mine was a selective prosecution. I was convicted of a law that doesn't exist in Texas. That's what they do. They take the law and twist it just so they can get an indictment. Same with Rick Perry. They're after Governor Scott Walker right now. They were after Senator Ted Stevens. I could go on and on. There's a long list of not just elected officials, but high-ranking staff. This is a political strategy that the left imposes when they can't beat you at the ballot box or beat you on the floor of some legislature or beat you as a governor. This is what they do. It's in the book. It's called.
What would you call it?
Rules
It's not.
for Radicals.
Is it proper to? Is it proper to say kind of a political witch hunt? But it's more than that because they wind up indicting you guys. So I mean, what would you call it?
I call it criminalization of politics. It's a political strategy,
okay.
and it's undermining our system of government. It is deterring people from running for office. It's putting the fear of God in elected officials not to stand on policy for fear of getting their heads knocked off. It's an abuse of power in our justice system to use the judiciary for political gain. But it is a political strategy, and to be honest with you, it's working.
Well, I listen, I'm thrilled for you, Congressman. You know that, and I look forward to talking to you again. And thank you so much, and enjoy the rest of the day and many more to come.
Well, thank you, Steve. I'm looking forward to the future.
All right. Tom DeLay, ladies and gentlemen, here on the Steve Malzberg Show. We're coming back.